Here in this video I am giving you some most common types of reflections. Reflection over the x-axis. A reflection over the x-axis can be seen in the picture below, in which a point A is reflected to its image A dash. The general rule for reflection over x-axis from the coordinate AB to A minus B. Here is the video for showing you the reflection over x-axis. Here is the point A with coordinate 2, 4. You can easily evaluate the reflection of the point A 2, 4 through the reflection over x-axis. The image of the point A 2, 4 is reflected at the point A dash 2, minus 4. You can easily see the coordinates of A dash is 2, minus 4. Next, we are moving to the reflection over y-axis. A reflection in the y-axis can be seen in the diagram 4, in which A is reflected to its image A dash. The general rule for reflection over y-axis is our y-axis AB, the coordinates of the point moving to its image minus AB. Here is the video for showing this. Here we can see the coordinate of A is minus 3, 2. Then it is reflecting over y-axis and it is moving to the point 3, 2. Next we are moving to the reflection over the line y is equal to x, that is a oblique line or diagonal line. A reflection in the line y is equal to x can be seen in the picture below, in which A is reflected to its image A dash. The general rule for the reflection in the line y is equal to x is given by the coordinates of AB is moving to the point BA. Here you can see the point A coordinates 2, 5, 2, 5 is reflected over the line y is equal to x, and the reflected image is A dash 5, 2. I think you can easily understand the AB is moving to the point BA. So here is the rule and here is the example. A 2, 5 is reflected to the point 5, 2 when the reflection is going on the line y equal to x. Next we are moving to the reflection over the line y equal to minus x. A reflection in the line y is equal to minus x can be seen in the picture below, in which A is reflected to its image A dash. The general rule for a reflection in the line y equal to minus x can be written in the form AB, the coordinates of a point is moving to minus b comma minus a. Here there is an example when a point A 1 minus 4 is reflected through the line y is equal to minus x, and it's moving to the point to its image A dash 4 minus 1. So the basic rule AB to moving to the point minus b comma minus a. Students, you can understand easily how the reflection through the line y is equal to minus x happened. Let us solve some problems related to reflection. The first problem is, what is the image of the point 1, 2 after reflecting it across x-axis? So here is the point A 1, 2. We have to reflect that point through x-axis. Here we know the formula. When a point is reflected through x-axis, then its abscissa remains same, but the ordinate will change its sign. So the answer will be 1 minus 2. Let us move to the second problem. The problem is, what is the image of the point A 3, 1 after reflecting through y-axis? Then here you see the point A in first quadrant 3, 1. We know the formula. If any point is reflected through y-axis, then its ordinates remain same, but the abscissa changes its sign. So the answer will be minus 3, 1. Next we are moving to the problem 3. What is the image of the point A minus 2, 1 over the line y is equal to x? Here you know the rule that when a point A, B is reflected through the line y equal to x, then the abscissa and the coordinates will be interchanged when we get the image of that point. Then here the answer will be 1 minus 2. Here I am giving some more problems related to reflection. I think student can understand and they can solve it easily. The problem 4. Point Z is located at the point 2, 3. What are the coordinates of its image Z dash after reflection over x-axis? The answer is 2 minus 3. Since just flip the sign of y coordinate. Next, we are moving to problem 5. Next, we are moving to problem 5. The point Z is located at minus 2, 5. What are the coordinates of its image Z dash after reflection over the line y equal to x? The answer is 5 minus 2. You just swap the x and y coordinate values. Then you get the answer. Next, we move to the problem 6. The point Z is located at minus 1, 7. What are the coordinates of its image Z dash after reflection over y-axis? The answer is 8, 7. You just flip the sign of x coordinate. Then you get the answer. Next, we are moving to problem 7. The point Z is located at minus 3, minus 4. What are the coordinates of its image Z dash after reflection over x-axis? The answer is minus 3, 4. Just flip the sign of y coordinate and you get the answer. I think you can understand and you can solve it easily. For more chapters and more related problems, keep watching my channel. Thank you.